I'm Mattei from matteirealty.ca. There's a famous saying in real estate, they don't make land like they used to. In Canada, land was originally divided by the Queen in 100-acre parcels. I have the privilege of representing 98 acres in King with some of the most incredible amenities I've seen in my career, and we're only steps from the 400 and close to Pearson Airport. You're going to want to see this property, believe me. There are two residences here on this property. The first one, the main house, is an incredible blend of old world charm and modernity. The first half of the home was built by the Proctor family in 1850. They brought this door with them when they immigrated from Ireland. It has its own built-in doorbell. The rear of the home has a huge addition that was done in 1986. I'd like to show you more of this house. As you step into this home, it's apparent that you have a combination of old world charm and incredible modernity as the original 1850 home meets the gorgeous addition at the rear. If you love to entertain, what a family room you have. Gorgeous leaded glass windows, one of 4 wood fireplaces, and a walkout directly to the pool. It's a gorgeous, character designed area to enjoy a good book or the company of good friends. When dinner is served, you have this gorgeous formal dining room, again with leaded glass and shutters. Speaks with an open brick wall, gorgeous architectural integrity of the original home, and yet behind me, it looks over the modernity of the addition. One thing I love about this house, there is not a bad view out of a single window. The living room is separate from the family area, and it's off to the side to the main mudroom entrance of the home. It can be used as a home office. The Hemlock flooring continues in this area. It's got its own fireplace and pot lighting. The side entrance of this home is probably the more useful entrance. It's got a 2-piece bathroom for your guests, wall-to-wall closets, beautiful flagstone floors, skylight, and this feature I love, gorgeous stone walls. What character. I could come home to this every night. Just next to the side entrance of the home, there is this incredible touch of modernity and luxury in this home. So what's in the primary suite on the main floor? I'm glad you asked. It has its own separate entrance. There's a 5-piece ensuite bath that can be converted technically into a kitchen if you so desire. There's a 3-piece bath beside it as well. A gorgeous walk-in closet, these incredible vaulted and beamed ceilings, a walkout to a flagstone porch, and a stunning sunroom for you to enjoy your morning coffee or have a morning retreat with friends. Beautiful, tasteful addition on this gorgeous home. The charm that you saw in the older section of the home exudes all kinds of old world luxury. However, there's no compromises here. This is a gorgeous gourmet kitchen with skylights, granite counters, 2 built-in ovens, and if you have a family and you know how much you need storage and a mudroom access, just off the kitchen, there's the laundry room with its own separate access and its own separate skylight. This is a remarkable kitchen in any home. Centerpiece of the main floor addition is this incredible family room. 2-story ceilings, gorgeous floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, a walkout, a beautiful walkout behind me that leads to the pool, and floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking a pond. Wow. The quality of this home continues on the second level. There are 3 bedrooms up here that complement the main floor primary bedroom. In addition to that, there's a beautiful bathroom up here with modern touches. Every bedroom has a stunning view. The main home is serviced by a detached triple garage that has a concrete poured foundation, wall-to-wall closets, and the garage is heated as well. There's also a pony panel in there in case you need to get to the electrics. What a beautiful setting to come home to every night. Tranquility at its finest. We've got this beautiful country drive, gorgeous mature trees on your front yard, and you're set back from the road. Just steps behind the garage and away from the main home, you've got this beautifully restored barn where the family enjoyed games of hockey and time together. And the barn has been restored. On the inside, it looks like this. what an incredible structure we have here. Beautiful historic barn. I can still see the axe marks where the structure was built, and yet it's been restored meticulously. Plywood floor, concrete foundation. Yoga studio, musicians rehearsal space, art studio. Let your imagination decide what this incredible, super high barn can be used for, just steps from the main home. And that's not all. The lower level looks like this. It's a modern concrete foundation with 2 double door walkouts. What's more, on this side, there are 4 paddocks for horses. And on this side, there's another 4 stalls here for horses, llamas, whatever you like on your 97 acres of property. There's a bathroom and there's a prep area as well to help deal with your animals and take care of them. That's a total of 8 stalls. There's a staircase behind me that leads up to the main level of the barn. And don't forget, you've got 2 swing out double door walkouts to this beautiful modern lower level of this barn. Really, this is another example of the versatility of this property. It's remarkable. The second home on this property was built in 1833 by the Proctor family as well. This home is unique because it's divided in 2 separate units, a main floor and an upper floor. What's more, there's at least 5-car parking on the outside of the home, and at the rear of the home, in the lower level, there's a drive-in double garage as well. The setting for this residential area of this property is remarkable. There's over 200 imported boulders from the Canadian Shield that were brought in at a great cost to one of the previous owners. Flagstone walkways surround it, and there's some stunning perennial gardens that come up every year. It's like living in the Shire. The beauty of the setting of this residential portion of the lot continues. There's a gorgeous Marblelite pool, very deep pool if you love to dive. It's got its own pool house with its own pony panel, and it's a saltwater pool. There's also a sauna in the pool house. What's the remarkable thing about this property? It's the property itself. You've got 98 total acres, 1,000 feet of frontage from the willow trees to the north to the forest on top of the hill to the south, over 3,000 feet of depth, and you've got 82 workable acres of beautiful rolling land. The location is incredible. You're close to Highway 400, all the amenities that King has to offer, including multiple golf courses, and you could drive to Pearson Airport in 20 minutes. Wow. There's enough property here that taking drone footage of it really doesn't give you a scope of the feel of what we're dealing with in terms of the 82 workable acres of the 98 acres that's included here. So instead of walking the lot, as the old saying goes, let's gator the lot. This is a beautiful piece of rolling hill property here in King. What's more, it backs on and includes 13 acres of the Happy Valley, some of the most protected property in Canada. It assures you of privacy and continuity in your ownership of what's east of you for a lifetime. The other component of this property that's remarkable is there is a working commercial dairy farm here. Now, what are the constituent parts of that farm? You've got $250,000 separate driveway on the southern side of the property to access just the structures there. There's a huge dairy farm with automated cleaners, a rough-in for vector system, feeding for the cows, and automated milking. In addition to that, it's got a number of drive-in, drive-through doors. There's in-floor heating on the front section of the farm, and there's a massive drive-in shed that has a workshop at the front of it that also has in-floor heating. The investment in these structures is professional grade. There's over $4 million invested in these facilities. Now, it's currently a dairy farm, but let your imagination be your guide. You've made it. You've got 98 acres, 2 properties, 2 residences to live in and invest in. Now you'd like to put your car collection, hydroponic growth facility, art gallery of some sort, whatever you please, you can use these buildings for. They're incredible quality and they must be seen. I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca. Thank you for taking this tour of this exceptional property with us. You saw the rolling hills, the incredible residential property, the gorgeous working farm that's here, and this land. It's unbelievable. So what's left? Well, come and see it. Take a personal tour with me. You can call us at 416-557-7653. That's 416-557-SOLD. Email us at info@matteirealty.ca or view this property online at matteirealty.ca. I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca. Thank you again for taking a look at 15625 8th Concession here in King.